Hey guys, thank you for joining us again, car system installation. Today I'm going to show you the Compustar T13 installed on GMC Savana 2020. So first we're going to lock the vehicle. We have the indication on the remote in here that the car is locked. The T13 has a proximity unlock, which means all we have to do is walk towards the vehicle. And as you can heard, the doors were unlocked and we had an indication on the remote that the door has been unlocked. I'm gonna lock the vehicle back. Now we're gonna start the vehicle. So we're gonna hold the start button for about a few seconds. The vehicle will start. We're gonna have a confirmation on the remote. And we're going to have the starter time. Now, as I mentioned before, this system has the proximity unlock. So, as you can see, we're going to check the status of the vehicle. We know the engine is running. We have temperature inside the vehicle, and we have the voltage of the battery. The vehicle is locked. We're going to walk towards the car. And you can see the vehicle got unlocked from the proximity. No need for you to take the key out. You will need to use your key to drive away, but there's no need for you to have the key to unlock. You can also turn off the vehicle by holding the start button again. For Compustar T13 and other Compustar products, you can always find us on our website. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.